Hello.
Hi, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Tanuja Verma. We are meeting for the first time. Where are you from?
Yes, I'm from Bhopal. And you?
Uh, I'm from Kerala. My name is Ammu Alice and I hail from Kerala. What do you do, Tanuja?
I'm a working professional in IT sector,
And what is the profile that you're handling? Your job role?
security engineer.
All right, all right. Completely technical profile, isn't it?
Yes,
Right, right. Could you tell me something else about you? What are your hobbies? Or what do you enjoy doing?
yes. Apart from work, I like to do drawing and dancing, and sometimes I like teaching also.
You like teaching as well?
Yes,
What do you like to teach?
especially maths. And if I'll get another subject, then I will choose English also.
Oh, right. Currently, are you taking some tuition classes for students?
No, before joining my job, I used to take coaching, but now I'm not taking any coaching.
Oh, all
Just
right.
teaching to my siblings.
Oh, all right. I can see this is your sixth. Oh, I can hear my own voice. There is an echo coming. Can you plug in the headset once again? Just see whether it's inserted correctly. I'll just try. Ah, yes. Now it's fine, I guess. I'm not able to hear. All right. So I can see this is your sixth session at Clapingo. So you recently joined the platform, isn't it?
Yes.
Are you comfortable with the platform?
Yes, I'm comfortable.
But your face is showing that you're not comfortable, that you're very nervous. Are you nervous?
Yeah, while speaking to someone, so sometimes I feel nervous.
You don't have to be because we are sitting here for this purpose so that you can openly speak.
Yes.
Okay, right. So today's topic is about self improvement. So, one of the ways of self improvement that you started is you joined Clapingo for improving your language. What are the
Yes.
other self improvement things that you have started recently?
Uh, yeah, first thing I want to improve my English, so I started working on that, like reading the books, and I joined the Clapingo to practice daily. And also I started to read other technical subjects which I used to do.
Oh, right. So, professionally, you have started reading technical books,
Not a book, but it's a tutorial something.
tutorial.
Courses.
You started watching tutorial.
Okay.
Right. And is it challenging to keep yourself updated in terms of technology?
Yeah, sometimes it is because we have to update ourselves according to the technology. And if we are in the technical field, so we need to update ourselves.
Right, right. Do you all have any trainings given by the company?
Sorry?
Do you all have any trainings given by the company?
Yes, so many trainings related to my work. And some apart from this, if I want to improve my knowledge, so I'm doing it apart from the work.
Right, right. Okay. One small suggestion for you. Whenever you're starting a sentence, till you complete that sentence, the sentence should be audible for the listener. Now, what happens is that sometimes we start the sentence with full energy. By the time it reaches the mid, your tone is slightly coming down. So this is normal. And towards the end, it's like almost, yeah. So the listener is like, oh, what was she trying to tell me? So for the listener, it is not clear.
Yeah,
That's
right.
very important. It's very important when it comes to communication.
Yeah,
Oh,
correct.
right. All right. Okay. Now, coming to physical improvement, what are some of the things that you are doing for your physical welfare?
Yeah, I recently joined gym to improve my health because I'm skinny. I have a skinny body, so I need to improve.
See, towards the end, the tone, the energy came down, isn't it?
Yeah,
Ah,
I
right.
think it's in habit, and I need to improve it.
Is it the same when it comes to Hindi?
I need to improve it because whenever I speak, I know sometimes I speak with energy, and at the end of the sentence, I my energy goes down. So I
Oh,
need to
right.
improve.
Is it only when you're speaking English, or is it there when you're speaking in Hindi as well?
I think it's in English only.
It's in English only. Oh, then you need to work on that. All right. The intention is this: think like this. Oh, the other person is not able to understand me. So you will start raising your voice a little bit.
Yes.
All right. Yes. So you started going to gym. So what? Tell me, you're planning to bulk up? You want to put on weight?
Yes, I want to gain some weight because I come underweight. I'm in underweight, so I need to gain
So
weight.
you can say, oh, you can just say I'm underweight.
I'm underweight. Yes.
Who told you you are underweight?
According to my age, my weight is very less. So that is. And when I take the body test, so doctor has told me you are underweight, so you need to take proper diet, or if some personal trainer you can hire for health.
Oh, right, right. I used to be very skinny growing up, and I used to be obsessed with fat body. But I never had any health issues. Do you have any health issues? Do you feel tired? Do you feel,
Yes, yes. Sometimes I feel very tired, and most of the time I feel sleepy. So
oh,
and
did you,
sometimes I feel dizziness also.
dizziness as well? Did you
Yes.
check your, there is something called TSH. Do you know to check whether our thyroid gland is functioning properly?
Yes, it is working fine. I don't know the. I'm not getting the word. I think.
Uh, Simple sentence. I will help you with the word.
I have less blood.
Oh, you have some deficiency?
Yes, yes,
What deficiency? Maybe iron deficiency.
yes, yes. Iron. Yeah,
Right,
right.
right. Are you a vegetarian?
No, I'm non-vegetarian.
You're not eating food that much? You don't like to eat?
No.
All right. What about fruits? Do you enjoy eating fruits?
Yeah, some of the fruits I like, but most of the thing which I should take, I don't. Uh, First thing is apple is very good for health, so I don't like it.
You don't like it.
No.
Oh, what about papaya?
Yeah, I like it.
Right. Consume papaya daily then. It's full of nutrients. And since we are basically from India, the fruits
Mhm.
like banana and papaya will work very well for our body.
Okay,
Mm,
yeah.
right. So how are
Yeah,
you
I
planning?
started to take banana daily and the milk.
Mm.
Yeah.
As per the instruction of the trainer.
Yes, yes.
All right. And did you start working out? Heavy weightlifting or those kind of things? Started?
Yes, they are asking me to lift the weight as I can, how much I can lift the weight. So this will grow your muscles.
Mhm. Okay. How long since you have joined gym? Been how long?
It's not more, it's only 15 days now.
It's only 15 days. Oh, right, right. Okay. So are you a person who is very much goal oriented? If you feel like I need this, you're very focused and you will achieve it. Are you that sort of a person?
Yeah, before that I was same when I was in college. So I always think like that. I have to achieve that goal. I have to do. I have to. I have to get the job. And now it's in the part. It's in life parts that I have to switch another job, or if I have to reach on the proper good destination designation. Sorry. So, but not too much focused on that as of now.
Oh, you're not too much focused. All right. Okay. At workplace, which is the language that you use to communicate with your colleagues?
Yes, in meeting, most of the time we have to speak only in English. And recently I switched another company, so where all my colleagues are from the coun- different part of the countries, and also from the foreign countries. So I need to speak in English only.
Oh, right. That is good. It will give you an opportunity to practice.
Yes.
Right. All right. Okay.
But what happens is that when we have to explain something in something technical part, so I know what I have to convey, so I can. But if I'll get the any topic, random topic, or I have to speak about apart from the work or any technical things, so sometimes I feel quite nervous, or I don't get the words to speak properly.
Are you sure it is just the words? Maybe we are not very much clear with the topic. It could be that as well, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, I if no, if any random topic I'll get, then I need to, then I don't get too much confidence to speak on that.
That even I don't have. Let's say somebody is giving me one random topic and telling me, Ammu, talk about this topic for 5 minutes. I don't have anything to talk because that topic is something new for me, isn't it? But let's say I'm teaching a particular topic for a long time. Then I'm very thorough with the topic. I have in-depth knowledge. Then I can comfortably speak. This is normal for everybody.
Yeah, but if I'm talking with you and uh, we don't have any particular topic, or I have to just speak from my mind whatever comes and
Yes,
whatever you are asking to me. So sometimes
yes.
it feel I don't get the proper word. And when I was in work, so what happens? I know the technical terms and what I have to explain to others, so I can do that easily.
Oh, okay. Maybe lack of practice.
Yeah.
Because with more practice, your words become much more fluent.
Hmm.
Mm.
And whenever I was in meeting, so when we have to talk on any general topic, someone is saying funny topics or any random topics or any current topic, so I cannot get the confidence to speak on that topic, or I don't get what can I say, I don't get confidence.
All this is
And most
because
of the time I quiet at that time, and uh, everyone are speaking to each other and I just quiet. So that thing I need to improve.
uh, then here itself, while you're speaking to the tutor, make sure you prepare for the session. Why? I'll tell you why. At least initial stages, you should have knowledge about the topic. So we can see whether you can at least comfortably speak about the given topic. Now, after 7 to 8 sessions or 10
Mhm.
sessions, after that, then your confidence will gradually start building. Then you will be okay with making small talks with the tutor. It's a gradual process. Give it some time. Now
Okay.
let's look at one sentence. Open the chat window, go to the more option. I think you are accessing via laptop. You can see the chat, isn't it?
Yes.
Right. When I was in work, it is when I am at work. When I am at work and when everybody is speaking, I'm not getting the words. It's not when I was in work, when I am at work, whenever you're at work.
When I
Then
was at work.
when I am at work, you're
When
talking
I am
about,
at work.
right, you're telling me about the routine, isn't it? When I'm
Yes.
at work, I'm not getting the words.
Yeah, correct.
I just quiet. I just quiet. When you say I just quiet, the sentence lacks clarity, isn't it? The listener will be a little confused. What does she mean? I just quiet. You can say, I just remain quiet. I just remain quiet because I'm not getting the words.
Yes. Right.
You don't have to worry. I'll suggest you some things that you have to do daily. Okay. Make sure you listen to something in English. Do you like entertainment? Do you like Bollywood, Hollywood? What do you like? Bollywood?
Yes, I like Bollywood, and I like to listen some kids story much
What story?
on in English. Kids story, like a
Kids
small
story.
story. Yes.
Right, right. Yes. Then you can listen to that, or you can listen to short stories, or you can even read children's books. Now, listen to interviews. Interviews of any famous personality, celebrities, anybody. But English should be, interview should be in English. Now, there also you will see the questions are random, and the speaker is actually coming up and expressing his ideas, isn't it? Yes.
Yes.
Rather than by heart, this will give you some idea how people are approaching the language. Your pronunciation, vocabulary, everything will start improving. Interviews. Now, some days you are not interested in watching any interviews, then watch motivational speeches. I love to listen to motivational speeches. I don't even remember the names of the speakers, but first of all, I get motivated. Second thing is, I learn a lot of words and pronunciation. These two will definitely work for you.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Right.
Hmm. Listen to this 10 minutes or 15 minutes daily. That's all. But do it consistently. Tell me what all you did since today morning. I woke up at, right?
Yeah, I woke up at 6 a.m. in the morning, and after that I took freshen up and I went for gym. I went gym. I don't know correct or not. And
Continue. I'll correct it for you.
okay, and 8:30 I came back to my home, and I took tea, and I took bath, and I started working. I started working my job because I'm working from home, so I just logged in around 9:30 in the morning, and
Right.
I was
Okay.
working before this session.
Now, I took freshen up. You can just say I freshened up. I freshened up.
I
Past
freshened
tense,
up.
I freshened up. Ah, right. I went for gym. No, gym is a place, isn't it? Gym.
Okay, I went to gym.
Now, if you want to say, I went to gym or exercise. Exercise is not a place. It is a process, isn't it? You're doing something. So for doing things, you can say for.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can, but you are breaking up in the middle.
Oh, right. We'll see the last sentence. I started working myself. I started working. You don't need myself. Already said I.
Yeah,
You just have to say I started working.
I started working.
I started working and I was working just till now. I was working till now, isn't it? And then you joined for the session, correct?
Yes.
Right. Small grammatical errors are also there while you're framing the sentence. Not to worry, these are your initial sessions. Practice will keep improving.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, you are
Are you
breaking
able
up.
to hear me?
No, I can't hear you properly.
You have to say